Hello friends, it's Goose, and we have been blessed yet another month. My Dark Sport package came on time, so I can show you guys everything in this weekend's launch before it happens. I'm gonna do an unboxing like I did for the last video. This is a bit of a smaller drop, so I only have 8 items instead of 10. This drop is SSDDNFGU, which is like the 2 main slogans that Dark Sport has. Same, different day, and never fucking give up is what those stand for. Like every Dark Sport drop, my code Goose will give you 10% off. Now, this drop is in collaboration with Powerhouse Gym, so there will be like Dark Sport Powerhouse items that my code I don't believe will give you a discount for. Usually like the big collab items you don't get a discount, like I know for Star Wars. The discounts didn't apply, which sucked. I probably would have bought a ton if it did. The drop is this Sunday, January 19th. Hopefully when you're watching this, it hasn't happened yet, so you still have a chance to get some items. I'm gonna open her up now, and we'll see. The first thing that's on here is pretty big. First item out of the bag, and it is a cropped hoodie. I really second guess buying this because I am not always a cropped hoodie girl. I usually prefer the long regular length hoodies, like the men's ones, but this one was super cute with like the pink detailing on the arms, and if I remember correctly, I did get the coordinating sweatpants to this. Let's hope I did. So yeah, I just thought this was too cute, and I have plenty of the regular sweatshirts. I thought we'd switch it up, especially for the sake of the video. This is the On Our Sleeve Owen cropped hoodie in a size medium. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, for reference, I am 5'9", 165 pounds. I'm either a medium or large and everything. The next item is this Dry Wolf long sleeve. I bought one of these for my dad for Christmas like 2 years ago, and I wanted to keep it for myself when I felt the material. This is so nice. This is probably gonna be my new go-to leg day shirt. This material is just super breathable. Oh, this would be perfect for doing cardio too. I'm really gonna enjoy this, and I always love when they have this detail, the wolf on the sleeve. Yeah, I also did get a medium in this. And speaking of leg day, we have a new camo style. I have not seen Dark Sport do this one, and I haven't got any camo from Dark Sport before. Most of the time, I think it looks really good on everybody else, but I am very much partial to wearing all black and skipped on it time and time again. But I think I'm going to actually enjoy this one. This is the Valencourt set. I have the matching shorts as well. We haven't seen the Valencourt in a while. I was like kind of convinced it wasn't gonna come back or something. I swear it's been maybe a year. Maybe I just didn't get it, or it wasn't available to us for the gifting. But these halter bras are really cute, and they are actually supportive for being a halter bra. I think, yes, this is a size large. I do size up in the bras to a large, so that way I can make sure it is supportive and totally fits me. But they do have these adjustable clasps that go around your neck. And then the back is not adjustable, but it is very stretchy. And removable padding in here also. What do you guys think of the camo prints? I like this one a lot. It's rather different than the one that they usually do. Like, this is kind of a more traditional camo, whereas the camo Dark Sport usually comes out with is like straight up, I'm going hunting, blending into the woods camo. These are the Valencourt shorts that go with the bra. These ones have a taller waistband here. I remember when these first came out, I think I did like an in-depth comparison of these, and the Everson shorts, which is the typical one that Dark Sport comes out with. I do think like the waistband it's more compressive for sure. The thing that I love is the longer length and the more like contouring patterns that these shorts have. I got this exact outfit also in black, which does have the little cherry flowers on them. We have 2 more big items and then I'll get to the trying on. I think these are the sweats that go with the cropped hoodie. Yes, okay, cool. It's a size medium that I have here, and you can see it has some of the like pink detailing that matches perfectly with the cropped hoodie. I love the eye especially. So these are gonna be best shown, like tried on. They do have pockets in the back. Let's see, it's another little logo here and there. Super cool. I do have these in gray right now, and I love these sweatpants. This is the last item, and of course it's another pair of sweatpants. I do live in Ohio. I should show you guys what it looks like outside. There's actually like 2 feet of snow piled outside my door, but these I did get in a large. These are the Wolves Club Forever Post Lounge sweats, and they have, instead of like the pink detailing, they have white and this yellow. I love that they brought this back. This was from the last drop. I love the little cherub holding the skull. There were so many cool like t-shirts and things from this drop too, but I wanted things that would be good for the video and good for the fact that it's winter, hence why 2 pairs of sweatpants and a sweatshirt. And I need more pairs of these. I feel like these are one of the better items. Not that there's anything bad. Like, one of my highly recommended items from Dark Sport would be their sweatpants. The box is now empty. I'm gonna get the camera adjusted and start trying everything on. We are starting off strong with the Valencourt sets on the camo. I'll say the sports bra actually fits a bit bigger than I expected it to. The neckline being adjustable is awesome. It's actually this part that seems a bit loose. I think that the Valencourt sets just run a bit bigger. I would say for both the sports bra and the shorts, if you're in between sizes, to go a size down. These shorts fit me perfect. These shorts are actually a large. But the sports bra, I feel like I could have gone with a medium, but it's not like I would ever exchange it. Here is the close-up of the detailing. I actually do like this camo. I wasn't the biggest fan when I first saw it, but I like this style of camo. I think it fits, and it looks good. It's like a neutral. Maybe I will take a hiatus from my all black and wear this. I will definitely be wearing these shorts. I'm gonna pan down. Here is a better view of these shorts. Like I said, they are longer. I even like had them pulled up a little bit. And the waist is longer, but it's not as dramatic as the leg portion, I would say. And the back is very flattering. This is not a great angle because you guys are pointed down at me, but I promise these shorts are very flattering. Here is the black set tried on. I feel like it's more noticeable with the black that the sports bra, I don't know, maybe it's just supposed to be longer. Maybe it's all in my head and the sports bra is supposed to be longer like that. But something to keep in mind, I didn't think about this with the camo. If you don't like the taller waistband and you're planning on just rolling it down, just know it's not black. It's like the pink that's in the cherry blossoms, which I don't think looks bad, but if you're expecting it to be black, the inside is not. The inside of this bra is not either though, so you could just roll it both. I moved the camera down so you could get a better view of these shorts. The back, you can see especially well on the black, if this is showing up on camera, these seams. And these are not sheer at all. I think if you're seeing any hints of the lighter color, it's just because of this underneath. We have a wild pebble. Completely unbothered. Next up is going to be the matching hoodie and the sweatpants. Okay, right off the bat, I can tell you that the pants are definitely long enough. They're gonna ride a bit. But again, I am 5'9", so sweatpants being long enough for me is fantastic. And I did get a medium in these because they're supposed to be oversized and I wanted them to be slightly more fitted, but still like loose fit. And here is the hoodie that goes along with it. This is perfect for a cropped hoodie. It's not like too short. You can see this is where it sits. And here's where the shorts are underneath. I think that this is gonna be one of my new go-tos for sure. And I love that it goes so well with these sweatpants. I think we need to get her a matching Dark Sport set. This is all she wants. This is not me tormenting her. This is how she likes to be held. But anyways, as far as this outfit goes, oh, and the medium with the hoodie is perfect. Definitely glad I didn't get a large. The sleeves are great. The fit is great. It's super comfortable everywhere. I wish I had been filming right when I put this shirt on, but I am obsessed with this. This is a men's shirt, by the way. It has actually just no business looking this good. Oh my gosh, this with freaking shorts. If you go to my gym and you see me wearing this every week, no you didn't. It's a different shirt, I promise. And I'm glad that the back is plain. I do really like all of the designs that Dark Sport puts on the backs of their shirts, but I feel like with this, it's fitting to just be this minimal design on the front. It does have like a tighter, higher neckline here, which I'm not minding at all. The length is great. It's not overly long. And my shorts, I have rolled them all the way up. Oh, poor Peb. We're gonna include Pebbles in the video. So yeah, if you are a man or woman and you are considering getting one of the dry wolf tees, this is your sign to absolutely do so, because I almost got rid of this from my cart and now I think it's possibly my favorite thing that I got of everything. Possibly. The last item, sadly, these are the Post Lounge sweatpants. These ones I got in the size large, and they are tapered at the bottom here, so you can see what these look like. Honestly, could have gone with a medium. I don't know if maybe I had accidentally put my pairs in the dryer one time or something, but I swear that none of mine are this baggy. But yeah, I swear that they were not this baggy before. I'm really not hating it. I think that it's super flattering still, and I do appreciate that they are more than long enough for me. Maybe they updated these a little bit. It's been a while since I got this style of sweatpants. Lately I've been going for these straight legs, but I'm a big fan of these as well. Oh, how cute is that? I've never seen them do this on this style of sweatpants. That's adorable. I love that. That is all for this video, guys. Make sure you're following me on Instagram if you aren't already. I'll have all my links in the description. And don't forget to use my code GOOSE if you do shop Dark Sport. See you on the next one. Bye, guys.